Yeah, that's Zach. Okay.
I think it's my toolbox.
Zach, you know what? Turn the light on. Wait a second. That's Zach too.
What?
That's Zach.
I only got one thing.
You will know why. Just a sec. Let me get the light. No, that's not the light. That is not the light. What the heck?
There's a lot of them.
That's not the light. It's the fan? What happened to the light? Oh, no, I don't see the light. Oh, there it is. I got the light. Okay.
I can't believe you put on the fan.
All right, go ahead, Alex. Open it.
Yay!
Is that what you were hoping for?
Yes.
What is it?
My Pokemon game.
All right. Okay. How about a little high?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, mijo.
I'm hugging you a lot.
Okay, Pete. How about opening one of your gifts? What is that? What is that?
A shovel.
You asked Santa for a shovel?
Uh-huh.
That is funny. You're funny.
I can't believe I actually got the shovel.
All right. I'll open up the next one. What is that?
I think it's a toolbox, but I can't get to open it.
On the other side.
Oh. Has nothing in it. It's a toolbox. It's not a toolbox with anything in it.
You asked for a toolbox to Santa, so he brought you a toolbox. Okay. But Daddy can give you some tools to put there. And what is that?
Oh my gosh, Nano V2? I got the Nano V2 that can actually climb. Awesome, thank you. It's all commercial.
All right, kids, okay. Yes, thank